Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits, Leander Life and Heidi's Holidays. We are where exactly today?
At North Pole, and that's Anna's factory.
That's right. We are at SantaPark, it's called, here in Rovaniemi, in Finland.
No, we are at North Pole.
And yeah, just at the Arctic Circle. It's fantastic. We're just about to go and see Santa. Let's go and see whether we can find Santa somewhere.
May I ask you about your Christmas present? Did you enjoy your Christmas present very much? Have you already seen them? Merry Christmas, and then we have one for you. Merry Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye bye.
There's a castle in there. Look!
Leander lucht het, hè? Ja.
Matilda, yours looks beautiful, darling. Well, that's glue down.
Yeah, SantaPark is an amazing facility. We are underground here in what looks like to be like an old bunker of some description. And there is elf workshops, an elf school. There is, of course, where you can meet Santa. There is rides, there is kids activities. It's just all here in this one space. What a fantastic place.
Little humans can follow me.
The classroom where we elves study for 99 years, learning everything important we need to know. For example, how to fill the Christmas stocking with lots and lots of gifts. And when using these bags, we can get from a country to another really quickly.
Matilda looks like a blanket.
Ice, baby, careful.
Ice baby! Very cold in the Ice Kingdom here. Obi-Wan Kenobi here. Jedi Warrior. Here, that's pretty good.
Heidi, you're using the force?
I'm using the Force to keep warm, yes.
And so here from an ice cave at the SantaPark in Rovaniemi, we bid you farewell. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. Have a great Christmas.